I was the first to stop him, the first sword to block Hussein's path. I was a soldier, but I wasn't a slave. His eyes, calm. His voice, truth. He offered water to my thirsty men, even when I came to stop him. But every mile toward Karbala, his words struck deeper than any blade. That night I couldn't sleep. Was I marching against the grandson of the Prophet? By God, I see myself between heaven and hell, and I will never choose hell. I came with chains, but left with tears. I came to stop Hussein, but I died for him. And in Karbala, I finally became free.